In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Manus AI, an autonomous AI agent, in just under 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it and get you started on this exciting journey. First, you'll want to head over to the Manus AI website, so go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in manuscript.im, or just click on the link if you've got it handy. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice a Get Started button. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and give that a click. This is the gateway to begin the process of accessing the Manus AI agent. Now, if you haven't previously created an account with Manus AI, you'll encounter a Request Access option. This is crucial for first-time users. Click on the Request Access button and this will lead you to a form. This form is a simple gateway where you'll provide a bit of information about yourself. You'll need to fill it out with your email address, your profession, and some details regarding how you plan to use Manus AI. It's helpful to be as specific as possible here because it could potentially speed up your access process. Once you've carefully filled out the form, hit Submit. After submitting, the ball is now in their court, and you'll need to be a bit patient. The Manus team will review your request, and if all goes well, you'll receive a response via email. Make sure to keep an eye on your inbox, including the spam or junk folder, just in case it sneaks in there. Upon receiving approval, the email will contain a set of instructions, which may include a button to click on or an activation code to use. It's essential to follow these instructions accurately to ensure a smooth setup process. With that cleared, it's time to head back to the Manus AI website. So navigate back there and click the Get Started button once more. You should now be able to follow the new prompts designed to guide you through the login process. At this stage, you'll sign in using the email you provided earlier, and you'll also be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of using the Manus AI platform. Be sure to read through those terms to ensure you're comfortable with them. Once you agree, congratulations, you're now set up and ready to explore the fascinating functionalities of the Manus AI autonomous agent. And there it is, a straightforward process to unlock Manus AI. I hope this guide has been helpful and has prepared you to make the most out of your new AI tool. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your AI journey with Manus AI. Until next time.